Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I will do a precise tutorial video on what you can do with Aimogen and with Crawlomatic. So this tutorial video will allow you to open up your minds and to use another scenarios to set up Aimogen and Crawlomatic similarly to how I show it to you today. So I will be using both plugins which are already installed on this site. Don't forget to install and activate Aimogen because I will be setting up only Crawlomatic and no setup is required in Aimogen, but keep in mind for this method to work you will need to have installed and active Aimogen on your site. So for this I will be using this mysmartprice.com website. So I copy its URL. It is listing here multiple smartphones which appeared recently in 2023. So let's paste the URL of the mysmartprice.com page and set up Crawlomatic. So for this, click settings and scroll down until you see do not scrape seed URL and check this checkbox. In the seed page crawling query type, select visual selector just to be more easy for you. Highlight the title that you want to scrape on of an example product, click it, and a similar text will appear here. Now you can scroll down and in the content query type, similarly click visual selector, and here you will get a pop-up and you can select which part you want to scrape from this text. So for example, let's scrape the specifications, for example, but you can select any part from here or even the entire stuff from here. So if you hover your mouse like this, you will see that the entire table and description will be highlighted and you can also scrape this. But in this case, let's only get this little part. And now let's go to the top and we will work on the generated post content. Because as you might know, the Aimogen plugin offers the AI content shortcode. So for this, let's add the AI content shortcode and here write like this. Open the AI content shortcode like I did and write something, write an intro paragraph for selling the newly released smartphone called, and let's copy the item title shortcode and paste it here. And now we can close the AI content shortcode. So this will allow the AI content writer from Aimogen to go into Crawlomatic and to write us an intro for this paragraph. So write an intro paragraph for selling the newly released smartphone called, and this will be the title of the first smartphone which will be scraped is OnePlus Nord CE. Okay, now we can open a h3 tag and write specs and info about, and we can get also the smartphone name using this little shortcode. Don't forget to close your h3, and now we can use another AI content shortcode to go into Aimogen and say and tell it to write for us an example description. And let's write a teaser for the smartphone name, smartphone specifications and tech info. Close the AI content shortcode, and now we can add the part that we scrape from the camera which we selected, that this is the part that we wish to scrape. So key specifications, we scrape only this little part of the text, nothing extra, and we can add a BR or BR, multiple BR tags to add new lines to the content, and this can be added also after the scrape content. So what more we can do is use the AI content shortcode to write now a call to action. Write a call to action to buy the item title smartphone. Don't forget, always close the AI content shortcode like this, and afterwards we can write h3 conclusion, write an outro for the article selling the smartphone, the item title smartphone. Okay, now you ask me, but okay, how do we make money from this? So let me show you that you can scrape, for example, affiliate URLs, and you can add your affiliate links to the URLs. For example, we can use the item read more button. This will generate the read more button for our article, and we can integrate this, or even better, we can integrate the item URL. So for this, search for the item URL shortcode. This is it, and copy it, and in here in the conclusion, write an outro for the article selling the item title smartphone, link to the following URL with a call to action to buy it, and we add the item URL shortcode. So this will be the URL of the phone, and we can even add more ads to it. So if we go to the main settings of the plugin, and here we can scroll down to the bottom, and we can add the custom HTML code 1 or code 2. We can add our ad code. So sell our awesome affiliate products. This can be your ad code for your affiliate products or anything else. So this can be accessed using this shortcode. The other one can be accessed with this shortcode, what you enter here. So save settings, and we can go back, and between the intro and the specs, we can add the custom HTML. Don't forget to add also new lines. So here we added new lines, and we will be good now. So you can add your ads code here. This will be your ad code showing here, and also the item URL can contain your affiliate link. For example, if you want to add the affiliate link to the end, only write question mark and FID and add your affiliate ID. But keep in mind, this is different for each store. Each store might contain their affiliate links in a different way. Okay, so this is just an example. This is just to show you guys how the Aimogen plugin can be combined with Crawlomatic to generate this post. So this is my site, it is empty. And now let's run importing, and the plugin will now generate the AI content for everything that we wrote here, and also it will scrape the site for this mobile phone, and yeah, it will generate our post with the results. So scraping can take a bit longer now because we also called the AI content writer, but it is already finished. So let's refresh the post, and here our phone is displayed. So India is buzzing. This is the intro that we wrote with let me show you each part, which is, so this is the intro paragraph. This is the custom HTML code that I only told you that, hey, this could be your affiliate link, or ad codes or anything else which is displayed here. So sell our awesome affiliate products is here. Also write a teaser for the specs and info about, so specs and info about the smartphone that we are scraping. Write a teaser for the item titles, purpose specifications. So this is the teaser, these are the specs that were scraped, and this is write a call to action to buy. If you want to get your hands, we could have added the URL also here. I forgot to do this, so this URL can be added also here, and we can tell the AI that, hey, add a call to action link to it. And this is the conclusion. You can also actually tell the AI that, hey, you should add this as a link, not just as plain text. So add a clickable link to the following URL with a call to action to buy it. So don't forget to mention clickable, otherwise you might get similar plain URLs without being clickable. So as you can see, this is how we can combine Aimogen with Crawlomatic, and this can be done also with Echo RSS or with Newsomatic or with other plugins that I created. You will be able to use this little magical shortcode to use the power of Aimogen together with any other plugin that I created. So you will be able to create AI content which is unique, which is also high quality, as you can see, and you will be able to link the post back to the original article source, and you will be able to add your ad links or to add your affiliate links or to make money in many ways just by using this little trick that I showed you. So go ahead guys, click the links from this video description. You will find there Crawlomatic and Aimogen. Both can be used for this purpose. Also other plugins, as I mentioned, Echo RSS, Newsomatic will work in the same way. And yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this content, and based on what we scraped now, we created an example post which has the potential to generate us revenue and income. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.